Now we are going to discuss about finding unknown stimulants applied in food supplements using artificial intelligence. Then we are going to discuss about the overview of our project. The main objective of our project is we need to identify the food supplements in the particular food by using different machine learning algorithms. So it is therefore of the utmost importance of the component authorities to know when new products are being marketed and to warn user against potential health risk. So in this study, an approach is presented to detect new and unknown stimulants in food supplements using machine learning algorithms. The input data is taken from dataset repositories like GitHub. The system is developed the machine learning algorithms such as random forest and k-nearest neighbor. Finally, the experimental result shows that some performance metrics such as accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity, then we can compare the two algorithms based on accuracy in the form of graph. Finally, we can predict the food supplements as new or unknown stimulants. So this is the overview of our project. Then we are going to discuss about flow of our project. First, we need to take a input data set name as food supplements data set. The collected data is carried out to our input. So with the help of Pandas package, we can read our collected data set. So the selected data is carried out to pre-processing. So in this step, we can check any missing values is present or not for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding is converting the string into numeric integer value. The pre-processed data is carried out to data splitting module. In this step, we can split the whole data into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. The splitted data is carried out to classification module. So in this step, so we can use two different ML algorithms such as random forest and k nearest neighbor. The classified data. With the help of the classified data, we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. So finally, prediction like it is a new or known supplement. Then finally, we can visualize your data in the form of graph. Now we are going to discuss about demo of our project. We are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. The first one input data. So just we can display some sample of data set. Then before checking missing values. So these are the columns which is present in our data set. So these are the number of missing values is present in corresponding columns. So we need to replace that missing values by zeros. Then after handling missing values, so 0 indicates there is a no missing values. Next, label encoding. So label encoding means we need to convert the string into numeric integer value. So this is for before label encoding and this is for after label encoding. Then data splitting. So here we can split the whole data into test and train. Majority of the data is present in training part and smaller portion of the data is present in testing part. Then the algorithm random forest. So random forest got 94% accuracy. So this is the classification report for random forest. Then KNN. So KNN got 76% accuracy. So this is the classification report for KNN. Then this is the comparison graph between both algorithms based on accuracy. So then we need to predict a single data. Just we need to give us some data. So these are the testing. So we are clicking the predict. So it will be considered the new stimulants. Just quit it. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.